Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Jeep Wrangler sun visor. First, let's pinpoint the problem. Is your visor simply sagging, or has it completely come loose? Often, the plastic clip or the pivot mechanism wears out, causing the visor to lose its position. Understanding the exact issue will guide us to the correct solution, whether it's a quick fix or a full replacement. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll typically need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver for most visor repairs. A trim removal tool is also very helpful to avoid damaging your Jeep's interior plastics. Depending on the problem, you might also need a new visor clip or even a complete replacement visor assembly. Having these ready saves time. Now, let's get to the repair or replacement. Start by carefully unscrewing the existing visor from its mounting points. If only the clip is broken, simply snap a new one into position, ensuring it's firmly seated. For a complete visor replacement, align the new unit with the screw holes and secure it tightly. Make sure all connections are snug for proper function. After installation, perform a few final checks. Move the visor through its full range of motion to confirm it stays securely in place and doesn't sag. Ensure it pivots and extends smoothly without any binding. For added durability, you might apply a small amount of silicone grease to the pivot points. This helps prevent future wear and keeps your visor working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.